This is the practice test for algebra, and here we're working on problem number 2, which says, what is the value of x plus 3y plus z if x equals 3, y equals 3, and z equals 4? So the first step is to substitute into the expression the values for the x, the y, and the z. And here is our expression given to us, x plus 3y plus z, and we are going to substitute the 3 for the x as it's given to us, and then we have plus 3 times the value of y, which is 3, and I'm indicating the multiplication here with the number next to the parentheses. A number next to a parentheses, that means multiplication. And then we have plus z, which is given to us as 4. So our next step is to multiply the two numbers together, and we get 9. 3 plus 9 plus the 4 is going to give us 16 for our answer.